Hello, in front of me I've got HOHEM, iSteady. In this video I'll show you how to manage app of camera. In the beginning, to enter camera app of this gimbal, enter HOHEM app and press shutter button. Here you can enable torch, camera timer, change camera mode, can go back. Next, you can use filters, change zoom, change scenery, enable beauty, enable gesture control. In the end, you can change shutter mode between moments, slow motion, time warp, time lapse, video, photo and panorama. Next, you can go to settings where you can change photo size, enable mirror selfie, grid, white balance, zoom speed and linear zoom speed. Then you can enable recording beep, quick preview, slow motion compatible mode, record compatibility mode, enable legacy gesture and save unstitched panel photos. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.